Welcome to this Windows and Computer channel, and we continue our top 10 Windows 10 questions and answers. So this is number 5. So there's 10 videos. Each video has one topic. And this is video number 5. Is it true that my Windows 10 operating system scans my files, sends that to Microsoft, and removes any software that is pirated off of my PC? Well, the question is simple, and the answer is very simple. No, it does not. Windows 10 does not scan your files. Windows 10 does not remove pirated software or any software that is on your PC, except for one rule, and that's probably where some of these comments arrived. And a lot of people, thought because of maybe a game that was removed or a software that was removed that they had pirated was because Microsoft was actually, working hand in hand with other companies to do this. It's not the case, because what happens most of the time, and that's probably where this comes from, is the fact that when you upgrade from one Windows version to another, if you have software that is incompatible, it will actually uninstall it. And pirated software has one problem most of the time that people don't notice, is that pirated software never update. Pirated software, when they update, the company that makes the software knows, and then it stops working. So most of the time, people using pirated software use old versions that have not been updated. And of course, what happens is Windows 10, with some of these old versions, will say, oh, well, that's incompatible. You need to have a newer version of this. And it simply uninstalls it. So people came to the conclusion, oh, it uninstalls pirated software. No, it does not. It does not scan your files in search of information or anything. A lot of people are, kind of saying that false information, that fake news, that, oh yeah, it scans your files so that it can actually see what you're doing and what is the use of your PC, so that they snoop on you. No, they don't do that. If you think they do that, I'm sorry, but they don't. And there's some sides of privacy you might complain about on Windows 10, but that's not one of them. This is not a problem, and this is not something that actually is something to worry about. Microsoft does not snoop on your files. There would be absolutely, first of all, no reason to have billions and billions of files of information like that from people. What do they care, and what would they have as information in there? Nothing really interesting, honestly. It's very logical to just look and say, look, they just couldn't handle, first of all, doing that. And second of all, what gain would they have? Absolutely nothing. So, nope, they don't do that. They don't scan your files. And nope, they're not removing pirated software. It's just because pirated software is often old. And when you upgrade, well, it is incompatible. And of course, you shouldn't have any pirated software on a PC anyway. When people, say, well, I can't use that game anymore because I need to restart. Well, if you have pirated software, that's your problem and nobody else's. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.